Swadika, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Guna here. I'm in Peebo. I'm here to see the castle called Horsbrugh Castle. It's behind here, down that way. So we go up the hill. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ Hi. Welcome everyone. Let me tell you a little bit about the castle. We going up to the hill now. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to fly drone now.Maybe a bit quicker อย่าบินโดรนด้วยค่ะอาจจะเร็วกว่า In front of you here is Horsbrugh Castle. We are in Peebo and begin Peebo on Galathill near Gantries, Scottish border. The ruin you see here is the 16th century. The Horsbrugh family was known to earn this castle around 1497.Near the crust in there. John Horsbrugh was rebuilt this castle around 1540 when he owns it. The castle was the L-shaped townhouse and the family continued to live here with so many happy memory and unhappy memory like many of us. Like it's so unpredictable. The family were involved in various disputes.Around 16th, 17th century, fell onto the hard times. By 1708, the castle fell into despair. The family moved out to live in Edinburgh at Pinn's house. That was the main residence at the time. Some members of the family chose to remain here, but whatever they rented, the new owner was a bit unclear.By 1900, the castle was ruined, and 50 years later, the castle was demolished, now surrounded by sheep field, and now settled to monument for us to learn and see. And it's next to the main road and easy to access to this castle. And you pass A72 from over there, you can stop by and find a parking space and come in here and have a look. It's quite nice and pleasant to get up here, and I love the view around here. You know, that's A72 there. It feels so refreshing and beautiful countryside, and anyone who live here and must be very lucky. That's River Tweed around there, and the castle have so many memory.And went through so many war as well. And I will leave some link or more information for you guys to see. Here we going in here to have a look closer. Don't get me wrong. It's not much left. A few war left. You know, I'm traveling from where I am to here. It's here in memory of fallen the rich honorable.The Baronet of Horsbrugh was born something like 18 something. I will put it on the writing. It be difficult to read. Here we are, my friend. Have a look around, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'd like to thank everyone for watching again. I really appreciate your time spending here.And thank you very much for choosing to watch my video ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมส่วน information ส่วนใหญ่จะแปลให้อ่านในข้างในค่ะขอบคุณมากนะคะ Here's some photograph for you guys to see. Thank you again and lovely to see you. Hope you like the video. Thanks my friend. Enjoy all the rest video. ขอบคุณมากนะคะเชิญดูต่อค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ